right, you just bought Archer Review. How do you know what to study every day? Well, I want to teach you how to pick your study calendar. So the first thing is you're going to navigate over here. What you're going to see is this is the Archer Review dashboard, and we're going to scroll down until we find study calendar. Once you're here, you're going to see all these different options. That way you can pick the study time and amount that works best for you. Our 3-week plan is really geared toward those who have just graduated nursing school and they already did an NCLEX prep program. Our 4-week plan is for those who want to pass in under 30 days, but have a lot of time to give to the program. Our 6-week plan is what I recommend for most first-time test takers. This is going to get you NCLEX ready in 42 days. Then we have our 9-week study plan. This is meant for those who work 3 12s every week and only have 4 days to study. And then lastly, we have our 12-week study plan. This is what we gear for those that are repeat test takers or for those who are working full-time and have a lot of time commitments and only have a couple hours to study each day. You're also going to see here that there's a learning assessment tracker. These are really helpful. If we open it up, you can see that you can chart how you're doing on your learning assessments. And then we have a week of exam study guide. This is a study guide I want you to use. It was created by all of our tutors here at Archer Review that really want to make sure that you're NCLEX ready. Now, this shouldn't be the only thing you do, but it's something that I highly recommend you add in that last week of your prep. Now, let's take a look at one of these study calendars. So the 6-week is my #1 recommended plan. It's going to tell you what videos to watch, what questions to answer, when to remediate and review questions, as well as when to do your readiness assessments, as well as CAT exams. It's going to take the guesswork out of it so you know exactly what to do each day. Now, if you have any questions, you're unsure which study plan is best for you, you can always reach out to us at nclextutors@archerreview.com.